Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sour cucumber pickles. First, select fresh, firm pickling cucumbers, ideally 3 to 5 inches in length. Next, prepare your brine by dissolving salt in water. You can also add spices like dill or garlic for extra flavor. Remember, cleanliness is key, so sanitize all your jars and equipment thoroughly before you begin. Once your cucumbers are ready, pack them tightly into clean jars. You can add aromatics like fresh dill, garlic cloves, or mustard seeds for enhanced taste. Carefully pour the brine over the cucumbers, ensuring they are fully submerged. Then let your jars sit at room temperature for about 3 to 7 days, allowing the fermentation process to begin. During fermentation, you'll notice small bubbles, indicating active fermentation. It's a good idea to check your pickles daily. After a few days, taste them to determine if they've reached your desired level of sourness. Once fermented to your liking, transfer the jars to the refrigerator. This will slow down fermentation and keep your delicious sour pickles fresh for several months. Sometimes, issues like mold can arise. Ensure all cucumbers remain submerged under the brine. If your pickles aren't as crisp as you'd like, adding a grape leaf or two to each jar can help. With these tips, you'll be enjoying your homemade sour cucumber pickles in no time. They're perfect as a snack or a flavorful addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.